So, how do I prepare for keto in the truck? So, sit back here and watch. We got 12 hamburger patties, 6 sirloin steak tips, and 10 Johnsonville brats. Ready to go. And here is basically all the food I take with me each week to 10 days. Right here we got my MCT oil, collagen protein, and grass-fed butter that all goes into my keto coffee. Yogurt, which is low carb, that's the only carbs I get, just a few carbs in the yogurt, basically a snack in the evenings. All the food that I cooked outside, you got the brats, steaks, burgers, all put into Ziploc bags where they're fine in the refrigerator. A dozen boiled eggs and some zero net carb tortillas. Like to eat those with the brats sometimes. But that's basically it. Doesn't take much food at all, and the prep time is only just a few minutes each week. You cook all the food outside on the grill in prep time and all, less than 30 minutes. Eggs take 20 minutes. They can be cooking at the same time, and a trip to the store to buy a couple things before you head out. Almost forgot. In here in the pantry, tuna and sardines. No sardines showing right here, but they are in the truck, trust me. Those two things are both also a staple of my keto eating in the truck.